Hello guys, today we will be discussing Intuit, a true multi-bagger in every sense of the word. We will be looking at how Intuit started its impressive journey, how far it has come. We will look at some of the key bets the management has made to continue this disruptive journey. Intuit also recently acquired MailChimp, so we will have a look at that acquisition. And that's not all. Intuit recently had an investor day, and we will be sharing some of the key insights from that discussion. As you can imagine, there is a lot to cover, so this will be a two-part video series. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, and stay tuned for the second video. I hope you enjoy.
A quick look at the disclaimer section. Please note that this video is not meant to be investment advice of any kind. This report is solely meant for educational purposes.
Intuit's journey began 30 years ago at a small kitchen table when our founder, Scott Cook, observed his wife struggle to balance the family checkbook, and he thought to himself, there has to be a better way. And at that moment, the idea for a product called Quicken came to life, and the mission for a company called Intuit was born. And for 3 decades, employees around the globe have gotten out of bed every morning with a single, simple mission: to improve our customers' financial lives so profoundly they could never imagine going back to the old way.
From humble beginnings, the Intuit journey has been impressive. It has a number of products under its belt, with a couple of recent acquisitions in Credit Karma and MailChimp. We will be discussing these recent additions later in the presentation. Explosive customer growth and a true multi-bagger in every sense of the word. They must be doing something right. The Intuit share price has risen exponentially as the company has successfully continued to reinvent itself through different eras. The share price really started to grow at a staggering rate in the era of mobile and cloud and era of artificial intelligence, as Intuit started delivering on its ambitious and bold platform innovation strategy. One of the things that I really like about the company is its customer-centric approach. They help consumers better manage their money, reduce their debt, and file their taxes with ease so they can receive the maximum refund they deserve. They also help small businesses get paid faster, pay their employees, access capital, ensure their books are done right, and find and keep customers through their powerful products. Intuit is clearly focused on what matters most to the customers, and they are solving the most pressing customer problems with their ecosystem of financial products. For instance, using TurboTax, customers can maximize their tax refund and ensure that they're getting their taxes done right. With QuickBooks, customers can manage their business better. They can get paid, they can pay the workers, they can access advice, and they can be compliant and organized. Mint will help them answer the question around their financial well-being and how can they improve their financial health. Using Professional Tax, customers can access the 62,000 tax professionals to ensure accuracy of their tax returns. Intuit is now focusing on 5 big bets to accelerate growth. Firstly, they want to revolutionize speed to benefit, which means they are looking to transform their platform into an AI-driven expert platform by solving customer problems using machine learning, knowledge engineering, and natural language processing. In the 4Q20 earnings call, the company calls this as the most important bet of all, as it accelerates innovation across our platform and is foundational to other bets. And it's not just an empty slogan that every major company is making nowadays. Intuit's financials are backing the company up. The percentage of R&D of the total revenue averaged around 17% in the past 4 years and is showing no signs of deceleration, proving the company is devoting its resources to this bet. Intuit aims to connect people to expert. Let's admit it, filing a tax return is not easy and extremely boring at that. According to Intuit's own numbers, 15 million customers start their tax returns every year but never finish the task. On the other hand, professionals need an outlet to advertise their service. Intuit tries to solve this problem very smartly by acting as a broker, connecting professionals and customers, making the process seamless and more efficient for both parties. Unlocking smart money decisions. This big bet is the bread and butter for the company, as the majority of Intuit's revenue comes from providing tools to people to enable them to make better money decisions, or smart money decisions. The demand for professional financial assistance will always be there, as a dollar saved is a dollar earned, and people are always happy to save more. Intuit has already built a wide moat around this big bet by dominating the DIY segment through its Turbo and QuickBooks product, and the addition of Credit Karma adds the cherry on top. We'll come to that later. Intuit wants to solve the small business owners' problems. When you realize that 50% of small businesses are afraid to add another challenge due to operational complexity, or how time-consuming managing business processes are for these customers, you quickly realize how big the opportunity is for Intuit. Intuit has the moat and the capability to serve this market. So guys, there you have it. This brings the first video to an end. In the second video, we will continue with our discussion of Intuit, the big bets the management has made for the future, have a look at the Intuit strategy, quickly go through the Credit Karma acquisition, but most importantly, discuss the MailChimp acquisition. So stay tuned and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you very much.
If you found this video useful, then I urge you to join our research platform. It's completely free, there are no hidden costs, and that's the place where we publish top quality research covering companies with the capability to compound in the long term. And that's also the place where we publish research discussing key investment concepts. So if you would like to increase your knowledge of investing, then you would surely benefit from joining that platform. The link is in the description section below. Guys, if you found this video useful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button.